So, ayan ha, meron po tayong um, promo ngayon, no? SSM7, 9% per annum po yaan, ha? So, kung gusto nyong mag-invest, ayan, wait lang at papakita ko sa inyo itong video na ito.
Kita ng 9% sa savings nyo? Join the SSM7 JV Savings and enjoy a high 9% return exclusively available to SEDP Co-op members. The best part? You only need 10,000 pesos to start with monthly payouts over a 6-month term. Not yet a member? Don't miss out! Become one today. Simply visit or scan our QR code para umattend ng aming self-paced online pre-membership education seminar and take the first step towards smarter investing. SEDP was established in 2004. It stands for Social Enterprise Development Partnerships, Inc. May 3 programa ang SEDP: SEDP Kanegosyo, Usapang Pera, at SEDP Kasosyo. Ang savings mo, ipapahiram nating kapital para sa livelihood support sa mga nano enterprises. Imbes na creditor-debtor relationship, itinuturing nating business partners ang mga miyembro natin. Imbes na loans, joint venture ang pinapasok natin dahil ang SEDP at nano enterprises magkasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Tinuturuan nating mag-ipon ang mga members imbes na palakihin at maging dependent sa utang. Service fee ang charging natin, hindi interest rate dahil walang penalties, accrual at compounding kung hindi makapagbayad ang members sa panahon ng disasters, pagkakasakit o kaya ay kamatayan sa pamilya. Dahil vulnerable groups ang mga members natin, automatic may social safety net programs na tayo sa kanila. May damayan program para sa mga di inaasahang pangyayari para sila ay makabangon agad. May programa rin tayo sa pabahay mula sa mga bahay na gawa sa light materials, ginagawa natin itong matibay at mananatiling nakatayo sa bagyo at lindol. May kasama pa itong organic farming. Partner din tayo ng gobyerno para mapalapit ang kanilang serbisyo sa mga members natin. Dahil dito, marami sa mga members natin ay lumalago ang kanilang livelihood. This brings about social and financial dividends. Ang vision natin, ang mga members maging middle class at may positive dividends sa mga kasosyo, social investors tulad mo. May 16 branches at 20,000 members ang SEDP sa Mindanao. Through the service fee repayments, may kitang maipapasa sa mga social investors. 2,500 ang active social investors ng SEDP with outstanding 88 million social investments. Siyempre, ang simula nito ay ang ating financial literacy programs para sa mga nano enterprises at social investors. Kaya sali na sa SEDP at maging isang social investor na malakas ang kumita with a heart. This is exclusive to SEDP Co-op members. Minimum savings is 10,000. 6 months ang term with 9% rate of return per annum, and the payout is monthly. For example, you deposited 60,000 in SSM7. This will be divided by the 6-month term, which gives us 10,000 pesos. Every month, together with the earnings, payouts will be made. Profit and loss sharing scheme ang sinusunod natin, kaya wala pong guarantee ang savings. Remember, we are a cooperative. There is also a 3% pre-termination fee if withdrawn before 2 years. Ang payouts natin sa SEDP wallet, kailangan ma-reinvest to earn more. Our returns are computed based on diminishing balance. Earnings are based on the outstanding balance. The balance gets smaller over the term of the joint venture savings. The payouts in your wallet could be reinvested to earn more. Your 60,000 deposit will earn 450 pesos in a month. That's 450 divided by 60,000 equals 0.75% for 1 month. Let's annualize that by multiplying by 12, which will give us our 9% rate. If we check on the 5th month, where the balance is 20,000, the earnings is 150 pesos. If we divide by 20,000, we get 0.75%, and when annualized, we get the same 9% rate of return. Act fast! The exclusive 9% rate is available only from September 24 to September 30. Record date is on October 1, 2024. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Secure your future, earn with purpose, and become a SEDPI Kasosyo member today. Dahil ang pagyaman, napag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.
Oh, di ba? So, ayan ha, nakita natin. Kung gusto nyo pong join, ayan, join na po kayo sa SEDPI Co-op natin. No? So, nasa 9% po yung ating ma-earn dyan. Promo period ay from yesterday until September 30. At ang record date po niyan ay sa October 1, 2024. So, for details, you can visit bit.ly/SEDPI Co-op PMES or you can just scan the QR code. Okay, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guro, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.